All right, what's up, guys? So we're gonna talk side hustles real quick, and this one's not gonna be a super long video just because, well, for one, I have an article with like 45 or 50 different side hustles listed, so like I'll link to that. But if you want that article, it's an extensive list of different side hustles. Ultimately, this is just to get you thinking about the idea of side hustling. So like some common things I saw in the military were people doing woodworking and making plaques, people mounting medals. I knew some friends who used to be bouncers at clubs, and they would make all this extra money on the weekends doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, whatever. Bouncing wasn't a whole lot of money, but they had great stories. There's a lot of ways you can make extra money, right? You can do DoorDash, Uber Eats, drive for Uber. And the cool thing with like some of those jobs is you're also getting to see the market. So like if you were interested in real estate, you'd see if there were houses that looked abandoned or beat up or whatever, right? Instacart, you're delivering groceries. So a lot of different opportunities. You can get into flipping items from a garage sale. So you go buy something like dirt cheap and then flip it for more money. I used to do that for a decent amount. In fact, I was a part of a like $1,000 grow your money challenge, and I had some really good returns doing that for a while. And then I ended up moving across country, and it just kind of fell off. No one else really was doing the challenge anymore, and whatever. You could spend time building a business or a brand. I'll tell you, there are a lot of costs associated with this. Like the whole Military Millionaire platform, I was in the red for probably like the first 2 years I was doing this. So that's not like a super lucrative off the bat thing. And then, so investing, index funds, real estate, we're going to talk about all of that here in a little bit. It's not necessarily a side hustle, but like it's a good way to build, like have your money work for itself and build more money. But side hustles is just getting into the mentality of like, how could I make a little extra money doing things? Check out that list that I'm going to link to of like all the different side hustles that I have known people who've done. And some of them are really valuable and some of them are not. But once you get your expenses in check, earning a little bit of extra income definitely helps you, especially if you are smart enough to reinvest every dollar you earn from that side hustle, right? Because if you take the money from the side hustle and you just go buy like a PS5, that's not going to help you build wealth. That's going to be like trading your time for dollars. What you want to do, you want to take the income from that side hustle and reinvest it so that now you're trading your time for dollars, but those dollars are trading their time for more dollars, and that compounds. It's going to keep going up to the moon while you are continuing to do your side hustle. So, food for thought. Dig into the next section now.